Everybody, welcome back. So today I have another lovely DIY for you. If you guys are interested in seeing this DIY, just keep on watching. I have a huge box from Efavormart and I have been waiting to unbox this with you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing what goodies I picked up, just keep on watching. Okay, this is the first little box here. Let's get this unboxed. Gorgeous! Oh my goodness. So you guys know that I love crystal as well as mirror. So I picked up 4 of these and I picked 2 up in the larger size and 2 up in the smaller size. Alright, so this is the bigger one. Alright, this is gorgeous. Yes, I love this. How gorgeous, you guys. So I picked up these gorgeous diamond shaped gems from Efavormart, and so I just loved how big and beautiful these are. I wasn't expecting them to be in such a large bag, but it was a welcome surprise. And so like I said, I'm just in love with these, and you guys definitely be on the lookout for a DIY using these beautiful gems. Picked up 2 bags of these beautiful kind of like teardrop shaped gems. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to do a DIY with these. These are so beautiful. I don't know, I'll get into this box right here. Let's see, I'm gonna have to clean this room after this because a lot. Okay, so yeah, these are the little pedestals that I ordered, and I did not expect them to be this huge, but they are huge. Okay, let's see if I can put these up there. And this is what it looks like. Oh, so beautiful. I love this. So this thing was $35 on their site. And yeah, I think I got 2 more of these since I got a smaller set as well because I want to display things on my table with this. So I think that this will be nice for that. And also, if I do have some DIYs that I want to display on these, I can definitely do that also. So that's why I got these. And I just love the crystals here. So that is really pretty. I picked up 2 of their lampshade plugs here. And of course these will be for DIYs. And they were $4 on their site. So that is a steal. Got some of these rhinestone gems here. And they are these little ropes here. The crystal gemstone ropes. Of course they are for DIY, so definitely be looking out for those. And so yeah, that's all I got from Efavormart. Huge thank you to them for sending me out these products. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get into these DIYs. Alright guys, I'll be taking these bowls from the Dollar Tree. Right here, I'm just using my soldering iron to make a hole in the bottom of one of my bowls. Now I'm just taking one of those storage containers and just hot gluing it to the top. Then I'm just going to reinforce that hot glue on the outside. Now I'm just going to go right back in with that soldering iron and just make another hole so that I can make the opening for my vase. And now that I have everything assembled, I'm going to take it outside to spray paint. You guys, I picked up 3 of these platters from the Dollar Tree. So right here, I'm just going to begin to cut my platter into strips. Taking this container that I picked up from the Dollar Tree out to my garage to spray paint. So right here, I'm just using some of those leftover pieces that I have from cutting up that platter, and I'm just going to be cutting them into smaller diamond shaped squares. And so guys, this is what the finished product looks like. This was a really simple and easy DIY. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to my channel as well as hitting that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.